Coming together of two global giants, Reliance and BP has created something truly amazing, Jio-bp. Our expertise in technology and delivering wow experiences brings peace of mind and brighter moments to over 2 million customers daily. You have loved our physical branding, and now we are taking it one step further with the introduction of Mogo, our very own musical logo that will become a valuable trademark over time. This sonic identity has been created specially for Jio-bp by using fine musical instruments that make Mogo resonate with our brand, reinforcing trust and inspiring loyalty amongst customers. Mogo will build on the core emotions of empathy, dynamism, and innovation while expressing the confidence of leadership in the mobility solutions market. So here's presenting our Mogo straight from the talented musicians who have brought this to life.
It was truly a privilege to create the sonic identity for Jio-bp. Keeping in mind the personality of the brand, the sonic identity created by brand music is very optimistic and future-forward. The sonic graph of the Mogoscape expresses scale, stature, and the soft power of the brand. Happy listening.
As we shape the future of Indian mobility, our Mogo will be synonymous with Jio-bp's promise of delivering an exceptional experience to all its customers. Thank you.